Begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer, taking a moment to ensure that the application has fully launched before you proceed. Once you see the PowerPoint workspace on your screen, continue to the next stage by navigating to your presentation. Open the specific PowerPoint file in which you intend to incorporate the Excel data. It is important that you have this presentation ready so that you can easily switch back and forth between the two applications. Now that your presentation is open, move on to the Excel data that you need to import. Open the Excel file containing the table you plan to integrate into your presentation. When your Excel workbook is visible, locate the table that holds the information essential to your presentation. This table might contain data in rows and columns that you would like to display when presenting, and having it graphically integrated into your slides can be very effective in communicating your points. After identifying the correct table in Excel, copy the table to your clipboard. You can accomplish this by selecting the entire table and using the Ctrl+C keyboard shortcut, which quickly transfers the table data to your clipboard. Remember to double check that the whole table is selected, especially if it is large or spans multiple cells, so that no important information is missed in the copying process. Once the table has been copied, return to your open PowerPoint presentation. Switching from Excel back to PowerPoint should be seamless, and once you are back in the presentation, you can choose the location where you want the table to appear on your slide. Ensure that you have selected the appropriate slide before you proceed. With the desired slide in focus, use the Ctrl+V keyboard shortcut to paste the table from your clipboard into your presentation. This will insert the table directly onto the slide, and you should now see the table exactly as it appeared in Excel. When the table is successfully pasted, you may find that it fits well within your slide and matches the visual style of your presentation. However, if further modifications are needed, such as adjusting the size or position, take a moment now to click on the table and move it or resize it so that it aligns perfectly with your overall slide design. If you decide that you need to modify the data contained in the table later on, simply right-click on the table within the slide. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Edit Data. This feature allows you to open the data back in Excel-like editing mode, providing you with an easy-to-use interface for updating or correcting the information. This approach ensures that the data remains dynamic and easily adjustable without requiring you to manually revise the table using PowerPoint's standard editing tools. Following these steps ensures that you have successfully inserted and can later edit Excel data within a PowerPoint presentation on your Mac. By maintaining a steady workflow between Excel and PowerPoint, you can manage your data effectively, while also delivering a professional presentation that leverages the strengths of both tools.